For years, real estate has been a reliable investment option. Owning property typically requires a hefty upfront investment, which leaves many potential investors out of the equation. But with the rise of fractional investing, this barrier is no longer an obstacle. Fractional real estate investing allows you to own a portion of a property for as little as $100, opening the door to real estate investing for anyone. In this video, we'll explore what fractional investing is, how it works, and why it's a game changer for small investors. But before moving further, subscribe to the channel to stay updated on the latest trends in personal finance and investment strategies. What is fractional investing? Fractional investing is the concept of dividing ownership of an asset into shares that can be bought by multiple investors. When it comes to real estate, fractional investing allows you to buy a portion of a property without the need to fund the entire purchase yourself. Instead of needing hundreds of thousands of dollars to buy a property, you can invest in shares of real estate through specialized platforms. These platforms pool money from many investors to purchase properties, allowing you to own a fraction of the property based on the amount you invest. This concept is not new in other industries, such as stocks or art, but it's taken off in real estate over the last few years. With fractional ownership, you can start investing with a smaller amount of money and diversify your investment portfolio, potentially making real estate accessible to people who otherwise couldn't afford it. Why real estate? Real estate has traditionally been one of the most stable forms of investment. Over time, properties tend to appreciate, and rental income can provide a consistent cash flow. The demand for housing, office space, and retail establishments rarely disappears, which makes real estate a relatively secure investment compared to more volatile assets like stocks or cryptocurrencies. Historically, investing in real estate has required significant capital, often making it difficult for the average person to participate. With fractional investing, however, anyone can tap into the benefits of real estate. By investing in real estate, you get the potential for both appreciation and rental income, and owning real estate also provides protection against inflation. When inflation rises, real estate prices often follow suit, making it a good hedge for preserving wealth. However, before jumping into fractional investing, it's important to understand how the model works and the specific advantages it provides. How fractional investing works. Fractional investing platforms make it easy to get started in real estate investing. These platforms allow investors to contribute small amounts of money, often as low as $100, to pool together with other investors to purchase a property. You then own a fraction of the property based on your investment. For example, if the total cost of a property is $100,000 and you invest $1,000, you own 1% of the property. Once you invest in a property, you'll earn returns in two primary ways. Appreciation. As the property value increases, so does your shares value. This means that over time, the equity in the property can grow, giving you a potential return on your investment when the property is sold. Rental income. If the property generates rental income, this is typically paid out to investors as dividends. The rental income is split based on the percentage of ownership, so the more you invest, the higher your share of the rental profits. Investors do not have to worry about the day-to-day management of the property, as the platform handles all of that. The platform also ensures that the property is properly maintained, and tenants are paying rent on time. This makes fractional investing an attractive option for people who want exposure to real estate without the stress of managing a property. Platforms that offer fractional real estate investing. Several platforms make fractional investing in real estate a reality. Some of the most popular platforms include Fundrise. One of the leaders in fractional real estate investing, Fundrise offers a variety of investment options, including residential, commercial, and mixed-use properties. The platform offers different investment plans based on risk tolerance and financial goals. Realty Mogul. Realty Mogul focuses on both equity and debt investments in commercial real estate. You can invest in properties like office buildings, apartments, and shopping centers. Arrived Homes. A newer player in the space, Arrived Homes allows investors to buy shares in single-family rental homes, providing an opportunity to earn rental income from well-maintained homes across the U.S. crowd street. This platform focuses on commercial real estate, allowing investors to buy shares in high-quality properties such as office buildings, hotels, and warehouses. Each platform has its own set of features and minimum investment requirements. Some platforms, like Fundrise, allow you to start with as little as $500, while others may have higher minimums. The key takeaway is that these platforms make it possible to invest in real estate with much smaller amounts of capital than ever before. How much money do you need to get started? One of the main attractions of fractional investing is that it allows you to start investing with a relatively small amount of money. Depending on the platform, you may be able to start investing with just $100, though many platforms have higher minimums in the range of $500 to $1,000. This is a significant reduction from traditional real estate investments, which often require hundreds of thousands of dollars for a down payment or full property purchase. The low minimum investment makes fractional real estate accessible to a broader audience. Whether you're a young professional starting to build your wealth or someone looking to diversify your investment portfolio, fractional real estate is an excellent way to enter the market without putting all of your savings at risk. The different types of real estate you can invest in. Fractional real estate investing gives you access to various types of properties, each offering different benefits and risks. Some common types of real estate investments include residential real estate. This includes single-family homes, apartments, and multifamily properties. Residential properties tend to provide stable rental income and long-term appreciation. Commercial real estate. Properties like office buildings, retail spaces, and industrial complexes. While commercial real estate can be lucrative, it's typically higher risk due to market fluctuations and economic cycles. Vacation properties. Investing in short-term rental properties like those on Airbnb is increasingly popular. These properties can generate higher returns, but they may also have more vacancies and maintenance needs. Industrial real estate, warehouses and logistics facilities that benefit from the rise of e-commerce. These properties tend to have stable rental income, but require significant capital to acquire. Each of these property types comes with different levels of risk, and some may be more appropriate depending on your investment goals. For instance, residential real estate may be more stable and predictable, while commercial properties can offer higher returns with more volatility. Risk and return in fractional investing. Like any investment, fractional real estate carries risks. While real estate is generally considered a stable investment, the value of properties can fluctuate based on market conditions. For example, if a property experiences a downturn, or if tenants stop paying rent, your returns may be impacted. However, fractional real estate platforms help manage risk by diversifying your investments across multiple properties. This diversification lowers the impact of any one property's performance on your overall portfolio. Additionally, many fractional investing platforms offer detailed information about each property, including its market analysis, projected returns, and potential risks. This transparency allows you to make more informed decisions about where to invest and what risks you're willing to take. Why should you invest in fractional real estate? Now is an excellent time to start investing in fractional real estate for several reasons. First, the barriers to entry are lower than ever before, with platforms offering investment opportunities that start at just $100. Second, real estate continues to be one of the most stable and lucrative investments available, with properties generally appreciating over time. Third, with the rise of AI and automation, platforms are able to offer more efficient and streamlined investment processes. Finally, fractional real estate investing opens up the opportunity to diversify your portfolio. Diversification is a key strategy for minimizing risk and maximizing returns, and fractional investing lets you do that without requiring large amounts of capital. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel for more insights and strategies on how to make the most of your investments in real estate and beyond.